Hello my beloved viewers, hope you all are safe and sound. Today's day I will be presenting a brand new tutorial which about how to write round text in Photoshop. So without wasting your time, let's make it possible. We make grid line on the center of the page. And then take the circle and hold the shift key and just draw the circle. Now hold the shift key and just scale it to make a perfect round. And then click on the fill option and choose the no fill, and then just give it a stroke, a big stroke. The stroke color and stroke size. Ctrl+J, make a copy. Now give it a fill and just make a perfect center adjustment, and then just turn off the fill. Ctrl+J, make a copy, and then just scale it, make it a little smaller to fix it on the top of the center. And then take the text and just simply click on the top of the circle. It will be on the written form. Now simply just write your text and the text will be round and perfect round. Aligning the circle and just take the path selection tool and click on the center and the text will be aligned. Now we write text inside and below of the circle to make another text to the below of the circle. Now take the text and just click on the last layer to start writing. And now just keep writing, and don't worry, we will fix it. And just go to take the path selection tool and just click and drag to inside, and the text will be aligned to the inside. Now you can increase and decrease the gap between the text and just click on the type panel and increase the gap like this. Now we add stars between the text and will provide a vibrant look. Thank you very much for paying attention on my tutorial, and I hope you learned many things from this tutorial. So please subscribe my channel and thumbs up, share with your friends, and just leave a comment. I will be available. Don't forget to take care of yourself and stay blessed. We will meet on the next tutorial. So thank you very much.